Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. This is Shreyans Jain with my stock market outlook for 29th of April 20th. Before we get into the details and understand today's market action, let's understand overall opinion. Nifty is at crossroads. Please wait for next move before you plan for your investments. Let's understand today's market action, that is 28th of April. Nifty was up by 98 points or approximately 1%. Mid cap was up by 1.88%. Small cap up by 0.74%. VIX was down by 7%. Dow Jones was up by 0.4% at the time of recording of the session. DIIs were net buyer of 389 crores and advance decline ratio of 1.2. These are all the positive factors today. Few of the negative things which happened, volume was down, that is only 61.4 crore shares. So basically, although it was up, but it was not supported by volume. FIIs are still net sellers with 122 crores for the day, and technical indicators are still negative. Overall opinion, gain in Nifty is also supported by few of the points, but key points like today's gain was driven only by finance, majorly by finance, that is bank and financials, and hence cannot be considered as across market gain. Fall in volume, continuous selling by FIIs, and only sectoral gain of finance indicate us to be cautious before making any new investments. Nifty closed at 9,380, which is also a major resistance, and next move will be based on tomorrow's Nifty close. Let's have a look on the sectoral indexes. So today, as I mentioned in my previous slide, only Nifty Bank and Nifty Financials, which these are the two sectors, or these are the two which were driving the overall gains in Nifty. Nifty Bank up by 2.94% and Nifty Financials up by 3.36% are the two sectors which show significant gains. But and although they have broken their resistance of 20,500 and they are good for and 9,900, and new investment can be considered in selected stocks, but we need to be cautious on the move of Nifty as well, because Nifty's overall move will impact overall performance of Nifty Bank and Financials as well. Nifty Auto up by 0.26%, or still no investments recommended. Nifty FMCG, we have been recommending to exit from the sector since a few days, and again today it was down, so still we maintain our stance and recommend to exit. Nifty IT, you can initiate new positions in selected stocks. Nifty Pharma, we recommend to exit. Nifty Metal, no investment recommended, and Nifty Realty, we also still recommend to exit. Disclaimer, all the analysis presented in this video is for reference purpose only and should not be considered as investment advice. Individuals should perform their own due diligence analysis and consult with a financial advisor before making the investment decisions. Thank you, thanks for your time and safe investing.